of the European Parliament. I am the chair of the Security and Defence Subcommittee in the European Parliament, and I came with colleagues from 6 different nationalities: French, Spanish, German, Belgian, Estonian, and Lithuanian. We are from different political parties, but we all care about the situation in the Middle East and about the stability and the security of Iraq and of Kurdistan. While on the threat of ISIS, the presence of the coalition has made a difference, and we stand ready to continue our support. There is a very good cooperation with Kurdish authorities and with Kurdish military on this. We are providing support to help you fight the threat against ISIS. As regards militia, I already mentioned that there is no legitimacy in the use of violence, that there should be only state authorities or legal authorities dealing with security issues, and we sincerely hope that in Baghdad efforts are made to gather everyone dealing with security under the authority of the state, and we urge foreign countries, neighboring countries, not to interfere with Iraq. Iraq is a sovereign country, is an independent country, and deserves to be treated with respect. Iraq cannot be the playground for others to exercise their influence with violence. Well, first of all, our visit was designed to get a better understanding. There's nothing more important than to be in the region, to talk with interlocutors, to listen to their remarks, their concerns, and here people have been very clear about their concerns on disputed territories. There should be a legitimate presence of authorities to be able to deal with these disputed territories. The situation in Sinjar is very concerning. It prevents citizens for going back to their villages, for having a normal life. It's something that has to be dealt with by Iraqi first and foremost, but if they need our support, we will stand ready to help. We have been helping with displaced persons for some years now, but these people deserve the right to go back to their villages, to have job opportunities, to work and to live in peace and stability.